Welcome to watch today's fresh home. How to furnish a beach house of only 26 square meters as a primary residence? This small seaside house in Posillipo measures just 26 square meters. This is the story of architect Paola Sola, who transformed a formerly forgotten pied-à-terre into a refuge where the blue of the sea and the yellow of lemons become furnishing materials. This small house in Posillipo, by the sea, is only 26 square meters. Yet, just crossing the threshold is enough to understand that here, every detail is designed to be fully lived in. No compromise on the holiday home, no decorative excess, just the essentials, poetry, and a careful design that tells the beauty of slow living.